Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the Session 1 initialization failed blue screen error message you are experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this error message usually occurs due to corrupt or outdated drivers as well as incompatible hardware or damaged file systems that are preventing your computer from booting up. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, or come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I'm going to have a couple commands in the description of my video here, guys. First one is the system file checker utility scan. Go ahead and copy that and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window. Right click on it, select edit and paste it in. Alternatively, you can tap the Control V key combination on your keyboard and just paste it into the command prompt directly. And just give this a minute to run. Okay, so you can see that Windows did find corrupt files and successfully repaired them. Go ahead and copy the second command in the description of my video and paste it into the command prompt as well. So once that's done, go ahead and close out of there and then restart your computer. So there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. Do buzz will help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.